Alright guys, so you're looking to replace your old beat up mechanic stool. Well, I got a good option for you guys here. This is Vevor's premium mechanic stool with a 300-pound capacity. So let's take a closer look at it. Alright guys, so we'll take a closer look at everything this came with. So as you guys see, nice huge tray over here. It's got the Vevor sticker in there, and it is sectioned off, so you can put your nuts and bolts right here. Put some tools on this side. They got the divider in the middle, and then tools on the other side. And I'm pretty sure once we get this installed, it's got these nice little like blocks here, because this whole thing can spin once we put everything together, so it's kind of cool. Over here it does come with 5 casters, so you got the 5 legs here, and this can handle up to 300 pounds. So all you bigger guys out there, this might be a good pickup for you. Here's the seat, really nice, got a lot of padding there. And the fabric on here, this I'm gonna say like a vinyl type material, is not bad, nice and soft. Looks like the stitching is pretty decent. I don't think it's gonna rip or anything. And then it does come with, you got your washers here, you got some lock nuts here. This is going to be for your wheels. Do provide you with 2 tools, a wrench, and then Phillips. And then these are going to be for your seats, your 4 screws, and then washers to mount your seats. Closer look at the wheels here. They do have a lock built into them, so we'll test that out, see how well that works. So you can see the ball bearings up there. The wheels are a hard plastic, but they seem like they roll pretty smooth. All right guys, so we're gonna go ahead and put the wheels on here. Already put one on, real easy to do. The socket that the nuts fit, just in case you're putting one of these together, is 11/16. Just grab a wheel, and like I said, they got the little cutout there. So you're just gonna stick that so it locks into that cutout. Throw your washer on there, and then your lock nut. And that's it. It's super easy. Piston just slide right in the top like a normal stool, slides right in there. We should be able to put this on right now. So, got the tray on. Let's put this on the ground, and we'll put the screws in the seat. So you're going to use the provided screws, and then a washer for this one. Pretty easy. Alright, so that's it. So we should be able to put this right on top now. That's it all put together, guys. So like I said earlier, this tray is going to spin, so pretty cool. Be able to put some tools on here. Got 3 different compartments, and then you can spin this to be able to get to your tools. As you can see, it does got a little bit where it wobbles a little bit, depending on if this is heavier over here or not. But still spins freely, so not bad. Alright, next test is to sit in it. As you guys can see, it rolls really nice. Nice and smooth. Not hard to move around in. And then as you guys see, this is at the lowest height right now. So I want to say this goes between 20 and 26 as far as the height goes. But what we'll do is we'll measure this for you. So at the lowest setting right now, we're at about 21 inches to the seat right here. And as you guys will see, go ahead and lift this up. So right now it gets pretty high. So we'll measure it again. And now we're at about 26.5 inches from the floor to right here where you would sit. So this stool actually gets a lot higher than my old Harbor Freight stool. We'll go ahead and see how these wheels lock into place. So the wheel is locked into place. 2 wheels that have locks on it, the other 3 do not. But not bad. Definitely can feel that it doesn't want to move. The wheel locks do work. I'm about 210 pounds and this has no problem holding me in it. Doesn't feel wobbly at all. The tray spins freely. And it does get pretty high. Nice smooth piston on it. I also like the fact that it's got this handle built into the back of the seat so you can just move it around real easily. Nice backrest. Got a little bit of an angle to it there, so you're not sitting straight up, but it's still supportive for your back. So nice design with this, I like it. So just for comparison, I got my old Harbor Freight stool, and as you guys can see, definitely this Vevor mechanic stool is a nice upgrade to the old Harbor Freight seat that I got. Definitely a premium mechanic stool here. Give you guys a closer look, comparing the two there. As you can see, the Harbor Freight one a lot smaller tray, smaller casters on it, the seat smaller. Big difference between the two. So definitely a nice upgrade. And then the max height on the Harbor Freight stool, and you can find these types of stools more places than just Harbor Freight. That's just your standard like mechanic stool there that you can find in a lot of places. But the max height on that one is actually the lowest setting on the Vevor mechanic stool. I'll go ahead and lift up the Vevor with the handle here. So now that's them side by side. As you can see, a huge difference between the height. Go ahead and do a quick measurement of the wheel here. So these wheels are actually 5-inch in diameter. So you got 5-inch wheels here, which is a huge upgrade. Here's the caster next to it from one of my old stools. There's a side-by-side comparison of the trays. You're looking at the Vevor tray being about 19 inches. And then like your standard, you got about 15 inches there. As you guys see, got the 3 compartments there, and then the 2 in the middle are got a divider. Real nice build quality. Closer look at the seat there. So I'm going to be using this one now to be working on my car and stuff like that. And I'll keep you guys updated on the longevity of this stool. If you look on Amazon, it's got really good reviews. If you guys are interested in this mechanic stool, I'll go ahead and put some links in the description box. Go ahead and click on those links. Great gift for dad, or even just to buy yourself. Nice upgrade from the normal stools that you just pick up for $25–30. Pay a little bit more for this one, but this is a huge upgrade. So like I said, I'm going to put links in the description box. If you guys are interested, click on those links. Hopefully you guys found this video useful. If you did, smash the like button. Comment down below, let me know what you think. Subscribe if you're not subscribed, and hit that notification bell, guys. Till the next one, I'll talk to you later.